Hello, everyone. My name is Victor, and I'm from Caucasia, Antioquia, Colombia. Today, I want to share how I imagine real changes in the future and how life might be different in 10 years. In 10 years, I see I will live in a bigger city, maybe Medellin. Life there will be busier and more modern than in my town, but I will have more chances to meet new people and make new friends. In the future, I will work hard and build a happy life surrounded by kind and honest people. I believe that relationships will be stronger and more respectful because people will learn to value time and communication more than before. Daily life will be simpler and more connected. Families will spend more time together. Friends will support in order, and corporate will learn to share responsibilities and dreams. I see love and friendship will always be important, even when the world changes. I will visit different places in Colombia and maybe travel to other countries to learn about how people live and love in other cultures. I will enjoy meeting new people, sharing experiences, and learning from them. The things I will enjoy the most will be spending time with my family, listening to order, and helping the people I care about. I own stop believing in love or giving my best to the people around me. I also won't let technology replace real conversation or human connection. Will be more united and skillful with people helping in under and showing more empathy. Relationship will be more open and understanding where respect and trust will be the base of everything. I believe the future will be better if we learn to love for him and communicate with honesty. Zach, for listening to my ideas about relationships in the future.